This driveway is literally a sheet of ice. This is perfect weather for the Z06. The more horsepower you have, the less you slip. This wonderful weather here in New York. So we're gonna be heading out right now to my friend John's house, who used to have a 2015 STI. He recently sold that a couple weeks back and is now in a C450 AMG. So we're gonna go check that out, see it for the first time in person today. And also we may be wrapping a couple trim pieces in some gloss black vinyl. So we'll see definitely how that goes. So I'll see you guys when we get there. Totally sorry to do this to you, but you will have to tune into the next video to see how this gorgeous AMG is turning out and to also continue wrapping. But thank you guys again for watching this video. If you're stopping by for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. It is free. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please slap that like button. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Take care.